Welcome to the world of the forbidden, where curiosity meets walls of restrictions. Imagine a realm shrouded in secrecy, where the allure of the unknown beckons. A place where intrigue and enigma intertwine, creating a tapestry of tantalizing mysteries. These forbidden territories, hidden from prying eyes, hold stories untold and secrets unshared. A world where the thrill of the clandestine and the allure of the forbidden reign supreme. So, fasten your seatbelts, fuel your curiosity, and get set for an adventure. Are you ready to embark on this journey to the top 15 places you're not allowed to visit? Starting our countdown at number 15, we have the enigmatic North Sentinel Island. Situated in the Bay of Bengal, this island is home to the Sentinelese tribe, one of the last uncontacted peoples on Earth. The Indian government forbids any interaction to protect their way of life and prevent the spread of diseases. Next up, at number 14, is the Vault of Secrets, the Vatican Archives. Tucked away in the heart of Vatican City, this place houses centuries worth of documents, including state papers, papal account books, and other church matters. Unless you're a qualified clergy or scholar, access is strictly off-limits. And at number 13, we find ourselves at the hauntingly beautiful Svalbard Global Seed Vault. Nestled deep within the Arctic Svalbard archipelago, this vault is the world's largest secure seed storage. Its access is limited to a handful of scientists and officials, safeguarding our planet's botanical heritage. Moving on to more forbidden territories, brace yourself. Next on our list, at number 12, we find a place shrouded in secrecy, the Vatican's secret archives. This treasure trove of documents, spanning over 12 centuries, is strictly off-limits to the public, safeguarding the Church's most sensitive historical records. Moving on to number 11, we encounter the picturesque Isa Grand Shrine of Japan. Despite its serene beauty, this spiritual site is not open to tourists. Only the imperial family and a select group of priests and priestesses are allowed to enter its sacred grounds. Finally, at number 10, we have North Sentinel Island, a place that time seems to have forgotten. Nestled in the Bay of Bengal, this island is home to the Sentinelese, one of the last uncontacted tribes in the world. The Indian government strictly prohibits any interaction with them, leaving their way of life untouched by modern civilization. Let's delve deeper into the world of the forbidden. Now, at number 9, we have the beautiful and enigmatic Svalbard Global Seed Vault. Situated in the frosty outskirts of Norway, this vault is the world's largest collection of crop diversity, ensuring the survival of our agricultural heritage. But alas, it's off-limits to the public. Moving on to number 8, the Vatican Secret Archives. This vast collection of historical documents and records is held so close to the chest by the Vatican that very few people ever get the chance to explore its secrets. The contents within are so valuable and sensitive they are strictly guarded from prying eyes. Finally, at number 7, we journey to Russia and the closed city of Medjugorje. This city is believed to house Russia's secret nuclear missile site, making it one of the most restricted places on Earth. As we get closer to the top, the mysteries become even more tantalizing. Cracking the top 6 at number 6, we encounter the clandestine depths of the Vatican Secret Archives in Vatican City. A treasure trove of historic documents and papal correspondence, this site is hallowed ground for historians and conspiracy theorists alike. Unfortunately, unless you're a highly qualified scholar with a specific research purpose, these sacred vaults remain a dream. Next, marking our halfway point at number 5 is the intriguingly eerie Poveglia Island in Italy. Once a quarantine station for plague victims in the 14th century, and later, an insane asylum, this island has a haunting past that has led to it being completely abandoned today. Its chilling history and alleged paranormal activity have made Poveglia a no-go zone for the public. But, don't worry, the Italian government has your back, keeping you safe by strictly prohibiting access to this ghostly island. Now, we're down to the final 4. At number 4 is the tantalizingly secretive Svalbard Global Seed Vault in Norway. This icy fortress, buried deep within a mountain on a remote island, is a safeguard against global catastrophe. It houses a vast collection of seeds from around the world, a backup for humanity's food supply in case of a doomsday event. However, unless you're a scientist with the keys to our agricultural future, this place remains strictly off-limits. Our journey into the world's forbidden places takes us through history, across continents, and even into the realms of the supernatural. Each location, unique in its own way, is a testament to the fascinating and sometimes terrifying aspects of our world. As we delve deeper into this list, we uncover the secrets that these places hold, and understand why they remain out of our reach. Now, prepare yourself as we enter the top 3. At number 3, we have a place that will truly astound you. Imagine a location so shrouded in secrecy that even its very existence is often disputed. This place, my friends, is known as Metro 2, a purported secret underground metro system in Moscow. It's said to parallel the public Moscow Metro, but unlike its common counterpart, Metro 2 is rumored to be for exclusive use by the Russian government and military. Beneath the bustling city streets, this clandestine network is believed to connect key government establishments like the Kremlin, the Federal Security Service, and the airport. But why is it so forbidden, you might ask? Well, the veil of secrecy surrounding Metro 2 is so thick that it's almost impenetrable. The Russian government has neither confirmed nor denied its existence, making it a hotbed for speculations and urban legends. Adding to the allure, some claim that the underground labyrinth extends to depths of 200 meters, far deeper than the public metro. Imagine that. A secret underground city, right beneath the noses of millions of unsuspecting residents. Despite numerous attempts by urban explorers to uncover the truth, the mysteries of Metro 2 remain tightly locked away. The intrigue and speculation only add to the allure of this forbidden place, making it a fascinating subject of discussion. Now, on to the top 2. At the second spot, we have a place that has intrigued historians, scientists, and mystery enthusiasts alike: the Vatican's secret archives. Nestled in the heart of the Vatican City, these archives are a treasure trove of documents, manuscripts, and letters dating back centuries. Imagine a labyrinth of shelves and cabinets, stretching over 53 miles, whispering secrets of the past. Here, you can find letters from Michelangelo, the bull that excommunicated Martin Luther, and documents from the trial of Galileo, to name just a few. But what makes this place even more fascinating is that it's not completely off-limits. Yes, you heard it right. The Vatican's secret archives are not entirely inaccessible. Scholars can request access, but there's a catch. They must be pre-approved, have a specific document they wish to study, and even then, they can only view a handful of documents. The vast majority of the archives remain untouched, unseen, and shrouded in mystery. This level of secrecy gives rise to speculation and theories. What could the Vatican be hiding in these hallowed halls? Ancient secrets? Revelations that could shake the foundations of faith? We may never know. The Vatican Secret Archives, a place of mystery and history locked away from prying eyes, a fitting contender for our number 2 spot. And now, for the final reveal. And finally, at number 1, we have the most elusive, the most forbidden place in the world. This place, steeped in secrecy and shrouded in mystery, is none other than the Vatican Secret Archives. Located in the heart of Vatican City, these archives are a treasure trove of historical documents dating back over 12 centuries. What makes the Vatican Secret Archives so intriguing is their exclusivity. Only a select few, namely accredited scholars, are granted access, and even then, they need to receive specific approval for each document they wish to view. The rest of us can merely dream of the secrets these archives hold. Imagine countless rooms filled with ancient scrolls, letters, and manuscripts, each telling a unique story. Perhaps they contain hidden truths about the history of the Church, or maybe they hold the answer to some of humanity's most enduring mysteries. The tantalizing allure of the unknown is what makes this place the ultimate forbidden destination. However, the prohibition isn't meant to hide something sinister. Rather, it's to protect these invaluable historical documents from potential damage. After all, they are fragile relics of our shared past, and their preservation is of utmost importance. There you have it, the top 15 forbidden places in the world you're not allowed to visit. Thank you for joining us on this journey of mysteries and